Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have a delicious recipe for you. So we're gonna make some grilled pineapple, but we're gonna do it two ways. We're gonna do a sweet and spicy grilled pineapple, and we're gonna do a really nice grilled pineapple with a nice chimichurri sauce on top, both of which are gonna taste amazing. So without any further ado, let's jump into our video. So the first thing we need to do is cut our pineapple into nice bite-sized cubes. So there are many ways to cut and peel pineapple, but this is how I do it. I first twist off the stem or the big leafy thing on top, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to hold the pineapple on its side, and we're going to cut a slice off both the top and the bottom of the pineapple. Next, you're going to stand up the pineapple and you're going to cut it down the middle into two halves. Next, in the middle of the halves is the core of the pineapple, which is pretty inedible. So what you want to do is find the line between the fruit and the core, and then cut at an inward angle towards the skin like so. You will repeat from the other side, and then the core of the pineapple should come right out, and you'll be left with two pieces of pineapple that have just the fruit remaining. Next, you will have to cut along the base near the skin of the pineapple to separate the fruit from the skin. You will do this on both sides of the piece that you have, and then the fruit should separate from the skin, and then we can simply cut it into nice bite-sized pieces. We will then continue to do so with the rest of our pineapple. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get started with our sweet and spicy pineapple first. So we're going to take half of our bite-sized pineapple pieces and we're going to place them in a large Ziploc bag. To this, we're going to add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce, and a small drizzle of honey, about a teaspoon worth. Next, we're going to add in a teaspoon worth of red chili flakes, and then we're going to seal the bag and give all of our ingredients a nice mix until the pineapple is coated in all of the sauce and the spice. Then, last but not least, we're going to add a pinch of red chili powder or cayenne, seal the bag back up, and give it one more mix. Once that is done, place the bag in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to chill and marinate. The other half of the pineapple pieces can also go into the fridge for now until our chimichurri sauce is done and we're ready to grill. So for our chimichurri sauce, what we're going to do is we're going to take half a cup of fresh parsley and we're going to chop this up very finely. Once that is done, we're going to take about a tablespoon worth of fresh oregano and also chop it up until it is as finely chopped as our parsley. Next, we're going to take 2 cloves of garlic and we're going to mince them. You want the garlic to be very small as well. And you want to chop all the ingredients by hand, don't use a blender, because we do want whole pieces in our sauce, not a paste. Next, add in a pinch of red chili flakes, salt to taste, and pepper to taste as well. And then we're going to take 1 spicy boy, also known as a jalapeno, and we're going to remove the seeds and we're going to cut it into small pieces and add it into our bowl. Next, we will take 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and then finally 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Give it all a nice little mix, and our chimichurri sauce is complete. So now let's start grilling up our pineapple. So I had a grill preheating during our prep, and I took our sweet and spicy cubes out of the fridge and placed them on a skewer. And now we are going to grill our pineapple until it has some nice grill marks and it's nice and golden brown. Make sure to turn your pineapple over halfway through so that it cooks evenly on both sides. Once the pineapple looks nice and golden, we can remove it from the grill. Next, I took the uncoated fresh pineapple and also placed it on a skewer and grilled it just like before until it is nice and golden brown. Once that is done, we can remove it from the heat and it is time to plate up. So on the left is our sweet and spicy pineapple, and now on the right, I'm going to take our regular grilled pineapple and I'm going to top it with our chimichurri sauce. So there we have it, guys, grilled pineapple 2 ways, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to enjoy. So guys, here's our final dish. Both our pineapples look amazing, so I'm going to dig into the sweet and spicy one first. You get the sweetness from the pineapple, but the spiciness from the outside is really good. Now let's dig into our second flavor. The amazing herb and garlic sauce that we made goes really well with the sweetness of the pineapple that we have grilled. Both of these taste amazing. So if you want one last grilling experience before summer is over, try this recipe out at home. It tastes amazing, and keep on cooking.